Hi, this is Tony from AA Global FX, and in this video, we'll be showing you how to create an account with QuickTrade. Go to the quicktrade.world website and click on Start Trading. The page contains the registration form as well as the information on what quicktrade.world offers clients. Complete the form by clicking on the down arrows of each row. You will need to populate the following fields with the relevant information. Select corporate or individual client. Then select your title. Fill in your first name followed by your last name as it appears on your identification documents. Fill in your birth date, followed by your country of residence. And then fill in your physical address as shown on your proof of residence. Enter your mobile number. Enter your email address. Accept all terms and conditions and click on Submit so as to access the client portal. If you already have an account, simply click on Sign in here. As mentioned earlier, on the right-hand side of the registration form, you have information on the accounts QuickTrade.world offers. This is in addition to the client portal and MetaTrader 5 and what services are available, and the information on the partnership or introducing broker program. If you are in need of any assistance throughout this process, please make use of the live chat facility in the bottom right-hand corner. Comment, like, and subscribe if you found this information useful. This is Tony from AA Global FX, and I'll see you later.